Let's take a look at the RIDGID Pro Gear System Gen 2.0. Heavy duty metal latches. Oh, what do we got inside? So, this is just a couple of dividers. This is, oh, you got a little toolbox that goes with it. Little individual toolbox. That's kind of neat. Okay. You know how cars have the fresh car smell. These have the fresh plastic smell. So you just lock those back up. This one on top has a handle. And again, see how they lock together? They're not going anywhere. Bottom one's nice and deep. So, top box 29, middle one's 39, bottom one's 79. And like the Ryobi, these things are pretty lightweight. They're easy to move around. Carry a lot of tools like that. Nice, easy, ergonomic handle. So there you go, guys. The RIDGID Gear System Gen 2.0 by RIDGID. Real nice. A little bit more money than the Ryobi, but it's probably, it's very similar. Very similar quality.